What we eat is really our chemotherapy 3 times a day.
Meet Dr. William Li, a medical professional extraordinaire. With his prestigious Harvard background, this highly acclaimed doctor, researcher, and visionary has made groundbreaking achievements in the field of medicine. Under his leadership, the Angiogenesis Foundation has developed 27 novel treatments for different conditions, ranging from cancer to blindness and diabetes. His innovative research has greatly improved modern medicine, transforming lives and inspiring future generations of scientists. Dr. William Li's New York Times best-selling books are game changers in the world of nutrition. Published in 2019, Eat to Beat Disease breaks down the mind-blowing science of how your body can heal itself from deadly illnesses like cancer. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, his newest book, Eat to Beat Your Diet, takes things to a whole new level by revealing the powerful secrets of what to eat to boost your body metabolism, burn fat, and live longer.
Well, what you're actually talking about is what I'm working on, which is a new field of research called food as medicine. The slogan or the saying food as medicines was attributed to Hippocrates, 3,000 years ago. Back then, there were no medicines, so food was the only thing that was around. We have a lot of medicines, and it's because in the quest to develop medicines, we've employed some really deep science, molecular biology, genomics. We can drill right down inside the cell to figure out what happens and why and what the consequences are and how the cells work together. One of the reasons that I went into nutrition was because I realized that food was something that could be used for prevention. You wouldn't want to use drugs for prevention. Instead of throwing a drug into the system to see what happens, we can start to throw foods into those systems.
In today's video, we'll be using the knowledge from Dr. William Li's books to reveal 5 fruits that kill cancer and burn fat. Every year, about 19.3 million new cases of cancer are reported worldwide, and it is usually caused by environmental factors and poor diet. Following Dr. William Li's book and guidance, we'll be revealing what to eat to beat diseases like cancer. But that's not all, because we'll also be explaining how these fruits can help you burn fat and prevent obesity, which improves your insulin sensitivity and reduces your risk of developing heart complications and fatty liver disease. So join us as we show you the countless ways these everyday fruits can improve your health in ways you can't imagine and make you live longer. Dr. Li endorses grapes as one of the leading fruits for cancer prevention, as they're rich in vitamin C, which acts as a potent antioxidant at the cellular level, shielding cells from destructive free radicals that may otherwise cause DNA damage and contribute to the development of cancer. Research also suggests that high doses of vitamin C can stimulate the production of hydrogen peroxide, selectively targeting and damaging cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed. Another anti-cancer compound present in grapes is lycopene, a carotenoid with strong cancer-fighting properties. Studies have shown that lycopene could reduce some unpleasant side effects accompanying cancer treatments like chemotherapy and radiation. As a potent free radical scavenger, lycopene can protect cells from DNA damage that can lead to cancerous mutations. It also stops cancer cell growth, promotes apoptosis or cancer cell death, and even hampers the development of new blood vessels that supply tumors with nutrients.
Dr. Will Li here. I want to show you something that's just over my shoulder. Limonene has been shown to activate your brown fat using thermogenesis to help you burn down harmful white fat.
Limonene is a terpene found in the peels and essential oils of citrus fruits like grapes. Besides its delightful lemon-like scent and flavor, limonene can stimulate specific receptors in your body, resulting in thermogenesis, which is a process that heats your body and increases the burning of fat. Grapes are also high in fiber content, making them the perfect food to aid digestion. When you consume fiber, it forms a gel-like substance in your digestive system, slowing digestion and making you feel fuller for longer. This means you're less likely to snack between meals or overeat, ultimately leading to reduced calorie intake. When it comes to cancer-fighting fruits, we can't have a list without berries. These fruits are loaded with various antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins that can help you fight and prevent cancer while also encouraging fat burning. Dr. Li also backs up the potent powers of berries when he says,
Blue comes from blueberries. Their beautiful blue color comes from a natural dye called anthocyanin. That's an antioxidant that protects your DNA, helps build your immune system, and also improves your metabolism.
Apart from blueberries, berries like strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are all rich in anthocyanins, which is a plant pigment that gives berries their unique colors. Anthocyanins have incredible antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which it uses to neutralize free radicals, preventing them from damaging cellular DNA and potentially causing cancerous mutations. They also hinder the formation of new blood vessels that supply cancerous tumors with nutrients. This starves the cancer cells of important resources, making it tough for them to survive. In fact, anthocyanins have have equally been shown to induce apoptosis, a process that causes cancer cells' self-destruct mechanism.
The strawberries are sweet, they're a little tart, and the tartness comes from ellagic acid. It's made by strawberries, it cuts off the blood supply to tumors, it's actually good for your metabolism, burns down harmful body fat, is antioxidant, protects your DNA, lowers inflammation, as well as vitamin C, and activates your stem cells.
Berries like blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries are equally rich in ellagic acids. These compounds contribute to the berry's tartness by binding to taste receptors on your tongue that detect sour flavors. Beyond their flavor contribution, ellagic acids also exhibit anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer, and fat-burning properties. Ellagic acids burn fats by stimulating a process called thermogenesis, which increases body heat and energy expenditure. This helps to burn more calories and fat in the body. Ellagic acids can also balance blood sugar by regulating glucose levels and preventing insulin spikes that can lead to increased fat storage. Apart from berries, pears are another cancer-fighting fruit that shouldn't be overlooked. According to a study involving 478,000 participants, the researchers discovered that eating apples and pears can lower the risk of developing lung cancer. One of the reasons is that they're high in nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, fiber, and copper. During cancer treatment, a strong immune system is important for reducing the risk of getting infections. And research suggests that adequate copper intake can help strengthen the body's immune defenses, providing essential support throughout cancer therapy. The fiber content of pears also promotes weight loss and fat burning by slowing down the digestion process, stabilizing blood sugar levels, and preventing insulin spikes that can lead to fat storage. High-fiber diets often require more energy to digest, so this increases the body's metabolism and it burns more calories in the process.
And the reason pears are so great are the fact that they've got chlorogenic acid, which is a bioactive, also found in apples, that can actually activate your metabolism and help you burn down harmful body fat. It is also anti-angiogenic, means it actually stops blood vessels from growing to tumors. One of the things that I love about pears is that it's got a lot of dietary fiber. So an average pear has got about 5 or 6 grams of dietary fiber per pear. And a study from MD Anderson showed that just having that amount of dietary fiber can lower the risk of tumor progression or death by about 30% in one study where they looked at people with melanoma on immunotherapy. And so here is actually a food that can actually make medical treatments.
Chlorogenic acid is a compound that belongs to a family of polyphenols, which are naturally occurring antioxidants found in various plants, including pears. Chlorogenic acids can neutralize harmful free radicals, which are unstable atoms that can damage cells and cause mutations that lead to cancer. They can also suppress the production of inflammatory molecules, creating an environment less conducive to cancer development. When it comes to weight loss and burning fats, chlorogenic acids stimulate the body's metabolic processes, leading to an increased rate of energy expenditure. It also enhances fat oxidation, triggering the breakdown of fat molecules for fuel, making weight loss easier. Tomatoes owe their distinct red color and potent cancer protective properties to a bioactive compound called lycopene, a carotenoid that plays a major role in maintaining cellular health. Compelling evidence from a comprehensive review of 17 studies shows that eating tomatoes either raw or cooked provided the body with lycopene, which lowers prostate cancer.
Best example I know is a study of 79,000 men followed over 20 years, in which it was found that men who consumed cooked tomatoes 2 to 3 times a week had up to a 50% reduction in their risk of developing prostate cancer. Now, we know that tomatoes are a good source of lycopene, and lycopene is anti-angiogenic. But what's even more interesting from this study is that in those men who did develop prostate cancer, those who ate more servings of tomato sauce actually had fewer blood vessels feeding their cancer.
Lycopene fights cancer by neutralizing harmful free radicals and protecting cellular DNA from damage that can cause cancer. It also reduces inflammation, which promotes cancer growth by curbing the production of cancer-promoting compounds. Lycopene equally helps kill cancer cells, slows their growth and spread, and boosts the immune system. Another remarkable function of lycopene is that it helps burn fat by promoting lipolysis, which breaks down stored fat for energy use. Tomatoes, which are low in calories, can also fight leptin resistance. Leptin is crucial for regulating appetite and signaling feelings of fullness to the brain. It aids in reducing appetite, increasing metabolic rate, and encouraging fat burning, leading to weight loss and improved body composition. Studies found that heating tomatoes before consumption can enhance the bioavailability of their lycopene content, making them easily absorbed by the body. However, raw tomatoes contain more vitamin C because it degrades during cooking.
But the lycopene is in a form that's called trans, and it's very difficult for your body to absorb. It's one chemical form of the lycopene. If you heat it, you change the chemical structure naturally, and you change the trans to the cis form, and suddenly your body can absorb it. So at 2 minutes of heating tomato sauce, you suddenly make it 50% more available. And after you simmer it for 30 minutes, it's 250 more available. There have been studies looking at cooking tomatoes in water, and you can actually get the lycopene out, and you can see that there's some lycopene that goes into the bloodstream. If you cook tomato sauce in olive oil, the lycopene gets into your bloodstream a lot more easily because it doesn't get flushed through. Now it gets absorbed into your body. There are 3 varietals of olives that have the highest number of anti-angiogenic, cancer-starving polyphenols. One's Italian, from Umbria, Moriolo. One is Greek, from Peloponnesus. It's the Koroneki olive. One's from Spain. It's called the Picual olives.
Like other fruits on our list, pomegranates are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, potassium, and fiber, which collectively contribute to cancer prevention. Dr. Lee emphasized this point when he said,
I also drink pomegranate juice because it turns out that pomegranate juice can help us grow healthy gut bacteria that boosts our immunity.
Elegitannins are a type of polyphenol that gives pomegranates their vibrant red color and bitter taste. They're known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and some research suggests they have potential benefits for heart health, cancer prevention, and skin health. When a cancer cell needs to divide, it activates a particular enzyme called cyclin-dependent kinase 2, or CDK2. This enzyme helps kickstart the cell division process. However, the elegitannins present in pomegranates can bind to CDK2 and prevent it from being activated, stopping the cancer cell's growth cycle. They also have anti-inflammatories that slow down the spread of cancer. According to some scientific research, pomegranates can boost brain functions, which is especially beneficial for those undergoing chemotherapy. In one study involving 28 people who drank 8 ounces of pomegranate juice every day for 4 weeks, they experienced enhanced brain activity and improved memory. Pomegranates are low in calories but high in fiber, which means they can help you feel full without packing on extra pounds. They're also high in antioxidants and polyphenols, which can help speed up metabolism and promote fat breakdown.
Eat fresh whole foods, mostly plant-based, and cut down or cut off red meat and ultra-processed foods. It's super easy. And remember, there are no superfoods. There's no single food that's going to protect you. It's all the foods that you choose to eat, the diversity, that can help keep our bodies strong. What we choose to eat every single day can make a big difference in our immunity.
According to Dr. William Lee, only one of these fruits isn't enough to help you fight cancer and burn fats, so try to moderately eat a mix of these powerful fruits regularly. However, Dr. Lee is quick to remind us that the fight against cancer and weight gain isn't just about what we eat, it's also about what we don't eat. So beware of processed foods and sugary drinks. They might be tasty and convenient, but contain some compounds that could promote weight gain and cancer. When buying fruits, you should also ensure that you go for fresh organic ones without pesticides or added chemicals. This allows you to get all the amazing benefits they offer. Now tell us, which of these potent fruits do you eat the most? Do you know any other fruit that can fight cancer and burn fats? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. But apart from these amazing fruits, did you know that taking lemon with olive oil can provide many powerful benefits for your health and overall well-being? Click on the video showing on your screen right now to discover what happens if you drink olive oil and lemon juice on an empty stomach. See you there.